Hello.
And today we're happy to announce that the first winner of this inaugural award is Clifton Miheso. So congrats, Clifton. Kuja. So you have the award. And as we had said, something small to motivate him and to motivate the rest of you guys to aim higher. A trophy and 25,000 Kenya shillings. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to award someone else next for this month. So you guys keep pushing. And I've seen a few of the games are a bit tough, but I know you guys are tougher. So I'm expecting better results from you guys.
Yeah, niko happy kushinda hii award na ningependa kushukuru wachezaji juu tumekuwa tukicheza pamoja, wamenisaidia na pia wale mafans walinivutia pia nawashukuru. Hii ni motivation kwangu going forward, pia ku work more hard na ndio ni achieve more awards. For the remaining games I think wanajua watajikaza, wanafaa jikaza kwa kila game juu ni Gor Mahia tunafaa tushinde. Na we wish all the best.
Pretend you're happy.
So I just urge players to continue pushing because there is an award of the Player of the Month from our sponsors. So everybody is pushing at least to achieve that award. The season has not been that good, but at least you have tried. At least you are qualified for the CAF Confederation. That's what's giving us morale, but the season was tough for us. So I hope next season at least things will be right and we'll be okay. Our sponsors have produced the Player of the Month award, so it's just motivating of the players, and they are ready to win that trophy, and the amount at least it can push